The workbook is what describes the document that is currently open. It contains the worksheets, which is what you input your data into. You can add worksheets by using the Insert menu in the menu bar. You can rename your worksheets as well by double-clicking on the name here. Each worksheet is organized by boxes called cells. These cells are coordinated by rows and columns. You can have as many rows and columns as you would like. It would take a lot of information to fill them up, so I doubt this will be any concern to you.